there it is. So there was a viewer question that I haven't answered, which is appropriate now. Someone asked about flat tires and mechanical issues. And luckily, knock on wood, here's a little wood here. Those are the same tubes I've had in there since Massachusetts. So no tire issues. You gotta buy the good tires. And the only other mechanical problem I had was that early on in the ride, I lost this bolt that came out of the rack, which is pretty critical because because of the bad roads in Michigan, I already have a problem with my rack, and this is zip tied on here. So I've only got 1, 2, 3 good attachment points. So I put some Loctite on these guys, the permanent kind, so hopefully that will do. But what I'm experiencing now is that I can't, just this morning I rode out and mysteriously I can't get down into my lowest chain ring, which is a problem. The big one I don't even really need, but so I'm looking at it here and I can see that I don't know if this thing is missing a bolt or if it just screws into the collar, but something shifted. This was always very, very close. There was only about 1 millimeter or 2 between here, but now it's somehow shifted and the fender is impinging on the movement of the derailleur, which moves this way and that way to change gears. So I think my short-term solution, hopefully, is going to be taking out the spacer and its attachment point here, so I'll no longer attach it, and it should hopefully bend when the derailleur moves. It will be wiggly enough that it'll be able to move this and get to the gears I need to get to. So that will be the experiment. We'll see how it goes. So little old Yankee engineering. I'm happy to report making this gate here into a bike stand. Just used a bungee cord to elevate it up so I could work on it down here. And let's see how we do taking this apart. Hopefully that solves the problem. Okay, there's the repair job. Velcro and zip ties, you really need them. Those are the best things in the world. And we'll see if this thing will work. So Miss Google took me the back way into the park, which is kind of cool. I don't think anyone knows this road even exists, basically. I haven't seen any vehicles on the road. And I'm getting a little preview of the Badlands, which I'll see up close more tomorrow as the rain comes in.
Who grabbed you is not gonna give up without a fight.